Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Coshocton County, Guernsey County, eastern Muskingum County, northwestern Noble County, Tuscarawas County, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:50 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 21 miles northwest of Cigar Creek to 12 miles southeast of South Zanesville, or along a line from 25 miles northwest of Dover to 14 miles southeast of Zanesville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, Ridgeville, New Comerstown, Strasburg, New Concord, Desville, West Lafayette, Cigar Creek, Natan Hutton, Antrim, Tuscarawas, Bolivar, Baltic, Midvale, Philo, Port Washington, and Pleasant Grove. Here are the 11 a.m. weather